That's awesome. So it's snowing right here in one spot.
So weird.
Wait. It's snowing like right on you.
I heard there's some funny things going on in Christmas Town, so we're gonna spend the night to find out.
Okay, let's go and see if we see anything right now, okay?
Okay.
So this is your playhouse. This is where you're gonna spend the night, right?
Right.
So you got your bedding up there. You're gonna have to get that organized. So
Yep.
It's still pretty early in the day, right?
Yeah.
So let's go in.
Let's go into Christmas Town.
Okay.
Anything abnormal over here.
Yeah, I don't see anything here. Let's keep going. So we got some 24 hours here.
Here are the rocks.
Oh yeah. Oh look, here's Waffles.
Waffles.
Waffles is wearing her little Christmas sweater.
Oh, to keep her warm. Okay.
So what do you think, Waffles? Is there funny stuff going on back here?
Waffles, you want to chase this stick? Waffles. Waffles. Look at the stick. Get the stick.
No, I don't think she does.
No.
All right, let's keep going. All right, so we heard that there was some funny stuff going on at night in here.
Yeah, we did. Let's look by Santa's workshop.
Anything over here?
Nope, nothing by Santa's workshop.
Nothing by Santa's workshop. All right, let's keep going. Let's go around here.
Okay.
It might just be too early for anything to go on, right?
Yeah.
People say
I'd say
things
so.
at night.
Well, I guess we'd have to listen for it at night then.
Yeah, we gotta look for it at night. Hey, let's look over here.
Okay. Waffles, come on.
Oh, is there anything? I just don't see it. Did you see something green?
No.
Let's go in this house. Oh, look, it's the Abdonimal Snowman.
Whoa.
That must be what they're hearing, right?
Probably.
Let's see.
What?
Wait a minute, that's not real.
It's fake.
Oh, maybe that's what it is. Here, can you put that out and see what it looks like out here? Oh, that's pretty funny. All right, let's go take a break in your house, okay?
Okay.
We'll come back out when it gets darker. I don't think anything's out here right now.
Me neither.
I like your head, though. People will probably just think that they see that and they think that they see something real. All right. You gonna do some homework now?
Yeah.
That's a great idea. You can take the head off.
I put the chin strap on, so it's
Oh,
good.
good. All right, we'll be back in a little bit. Okay, it's several hours later. Let's knock on the door.
Hello.
Hello, assistant. Are you ready to go on patrol?
Yeah.
I think it sounded like wolves maybe outside.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's right at dusk.
Oh, Waffles, what do you think?
Waffles, are there wolves out here?
Oh,
Let's look.
Out. Oh, let's go this way.
All right, Waffles, we gotta look for wolves. All right.
Woo.
All right. So, nothing here, right?
Nope, nothing.
All right. Maybe we need like a candy cane or something to protect us a little bit.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know where one would be though.
There are your rocks. Anything over here by these presents?
No, nothing over here.
Nothing. Waffles, can you protect us from wolves?
No, she can't.
She said she can't.
We
All
have
right.
to protect her.
I think so. But there's definitely some wild dogs out here. Nothing? Be careful, assistant. There's Snoopy. Is Snoopy a wolf?
No.
No.
My hot chocolate looks good though.
It sure does. Waffles, where do we have to go to find them? Paw Patrol, are they the wolves? No, they're not the wolves. Wait a minute.
Right here.
Here are the wild animals.
Oh, hi.
It's Wiggles. Wiggles, you're dressed as Santa. Waffles, the way to help us find it. And Waggles.
Waggles, dressed as Buddy the Elf.
His foot came out, assistant.
Oh, Waggles, you stepped out of your foot. I'll fix it. Oh, do you not watch
Waggles, are you Buddy the Elf? Do you like that movie, assistant?
Yeah,
Elf?
it's a great Christmas movie.
It is. Let's see Waggles. Waggles, what do you think?
He's cold.
I think he needs to warm up. Let's take him over here by the fire, okay?
Okay. Come on, Waggles.
It's almost dark outside. So wait a minute, I guess we didn't hear wolves.
We just heard Waggles.
You heard him shivering. Is that a real? Nah, it's not even a real fire.
No, it's not gonna warm him up. It's probably gonna make him colder.
All right, I think we need to take him back into the main house, and then we'll do another patrol later, right?
Right.
Let's go. Okay, it's getting pretty late.
Yeah?
Assistant, I got a funny report.
What?
It's snowing in part of Christmas Town.
What? Only part?
Only part of it. We gotta go look. Waffles, you want to help us find it? It's snowing, but only a part of it. How could that even happen?
That's weird.
It's very strange.
Whoa. Pretty dark out.
Sure is. So nothing here, right?
Right.
Let's go over towards Santa's house. Waffles, you know where it's snowing? I don't see any snow over here.
No snow inside the house.
No snow in there?
No.
Do you see any wasps?
Nope. Let's go over there.
Yeah, let's go. All right, let's go see if we can find that snow.
Okay.
Do you know where it's at, wasps? Do you know? Let's go. Oh, you're on. Well, these trees are very pretty.
No snow.
No snow over here, though. Oh, look at the presents. No. Waffles.
Whoa. I see her. She's playing.
She's playing? Okay, we gotta see if we can find any of that snow.
Okay. Wait, it looks like there's snow up there.
Where?
Over there. What in the world? Over here. It's snowing.
Wait,
Oh,
it really is snowing.
yeah. Whoa.
Whoa, how's it snowing just right here, sister?
No, it's so weird. Hey, it's cool though.
It really is cool. Wow, that's awesome. So it's snowing right here in one spot.
So weird.
Wait, it's snowing like right on you. Oh, it's the Grinch. What are you doing, Grinch?
Oh, hey! I wanted it to snow like who will?
Well, what do you have?
Well, we're not in Whoville.
I got a snow machine!
What? People are trying to sleep.
What? No way! It's time to play in the snow!
Waffles, do you like the snow?
Let it snow!
All right, Grinch, we need you to stop doing that because we've been getting reports of disturbances at night.
Late.
How often have you been doing this?
Just this one time. Just this one time.
Okay, well, sister, look at your hair.
There's snow in it, isn't it?
You're covered in it. Here, I'll help you.
You want some more snow?
No.
Wait, can you make it snow? Let's see.
Oh yeah. Let it snow!
Whoa, you're catching a lot.
Oh yeah! Let it snow! Oh yeah!
You're a silly Grinch. All right, I think we're gonna have you turn that off, though. Okay?
Okay, fine.
All right, come on, sister. Let's go back to your playhouse. I think we got enough of this snow.
Let me know if you want to play in more snow!
We will. Well, I don't think so. Wops, we're done. We're done with the snow. All right. Let's go back in. All right, it says I'll let you know if I hear anything else, okay?
Okay. Look.
You still got snow. You got snow in here.
Yeah.
Wops, you coming? You want to go in with the assistant?
Come on. And she doesn't want to.
Oh, she changed her mind.
Oh.
Good job. Okay, it's almost midnight. Luckily, the moon's out, so it's not quite as dark as normally it would be. We'll see if the assistant, are you awake? Oh, she's asleep. Waffles, will you wake up the assistant? Assistant, it's like midnight. There's a disturbance outside. We gotta find it.
What? Disturbance?
A disturbance. Somebody heard somebody ruffling around.
Go.
Wow, you want to come out or you want to stay in there?
Oh, ladies first.
All right, let's look over here by the house.
Anyone home?
I don't think so. I don't think anyone's in there.
Come out, you're in there.
Oh, they're not in there. Let's just keep walking around that way. Yeah, there's no one in that house. All right, so let's see. Is there anything over here?
No, just the usual.
So nothing there.
Nope.
I wonder, but somebody heard somebody ruffling around.
I wonder why.
I don't know. Huh.
Maybe I should just go back in my playhouse.
No, I think we got to keep looking. All right, let's go.
Go where?
Go around. We got to look. You're like when we found the Grinch. So here are the trees. We've not gone this way yet, right?
Right. Look, someone sat in that chair.
Oh yeah, they. Anything over here?
Nope.
What do you think, Waffles? Do you see anything? I don't think she does. All right, let's keep looking around, okay?
Okay.
Santa's house or workshop?
Nothing unusual here.
Okay. I'm starting to think with you, sis. I don't know if there's anything out here or not.
Me either. I think I should just go to sleep.
There's Paw Patrol.
Oh, cold.
There's Chase.
Chase, Sky, and Marshall.
There's Marshall. And Sky's up there.
There's still snow on the ground.
Oh, yeah, there is still snow on the ground. Look, right there.
It'll probably all melt soon.
There's a tree. And then there's the snow globe. I love that snow globe. Look, it's all
Snowy.
sparkly. All right. I think you're right. We just got one more area to look for, okay?
Okay. Ooh.
It's cold, isn't it? So,
Ooh. It's just a regular Santa.
it's just a regular Santa.
Yeah.
He's sitting there. It's a big... Wait a minute.
What?
Right here.
What? A moving Santa? What are you doing?
Oh,
Santa, what are you doing here?
I'm just checking things out.
Oh, are you like scouting for Christmas Eve?
For naughty night.
Good.
Okay, but it's a little late to be doing that, don't you think?
No, assistant, that's when the Santa Claus has to make sure all the boys and girls went to bed at bedtime.
That's
Oh, well,
right.
I better get back to bed.
Yeah, because if you don't, you might go on the naughty list, right?
Okay.
You got to go to bed when your parents tell you to. Right, Santa?
That's right.
And what happens if you don't?
You'll be on the naughty list.
You'll be on the naughty list. It sounds like Santa might have a bit of a cold. All right, Santa, we'll let you go back.
I'm cold.
So the assistant's going to go back into her playhouse. All right, assistant, I'll let you know. So, hey, we found some actual disturbances tonight, haven't we?
Yeah. I'm gonna go to bed now.
Okay, turn that off. Good night, assistant.
Good night.
Okay, it's like super late at night. All right, well, Waffles, did you go outside and get busy? Oh, it's super dark in here. Assistant, why aren't you sleeping in your loft? Assistant! Knock, knock!
What?
Get up! Here,
What now? What now?
there's a disturbance outside.
A disturbance?
We gotta go look, see what we have. Waffles, you gonna come too?
Okay.
It's like 3 o'clock in the morning.
3 a.m.
And you should have slept up in your loft. It's way more
I
comfortable.
probably should have. I was trying to listen out for stuff.
All right, let's go. So here we are. It's super late. Look how dark
Come
it
on,
is.
Waffles.
Come on, Waffles.
Good girl.
Let's go over by the Santa house. Since it's like 3 o'clock in the morning, no, of course it's gonna be dark. Wait a minute. I got night vision. There you are.
Well, nothing's in there.
So there's night vision.
Right,
All right, see? Wait a minute, you're dark? And now you're not.
let's go.
All right, let's go back that way. So there was a disturbance again.
Oh.
I don't know.
What it was?
I don't know. Keep your eyes peeled. Over here by these presents, maybe?
Whoa.
You see anything over here?
No.
There's waffles.
Keep going, Mops. Go,
Okay.
run. Run, run, run.
Super light. Wait a minute. What do you think, Woffs? Anything here?
No.
All right, let's go over here. That Christmas tree's not lit up.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah, well, there you are.
Whoa.
I can't even see you. It's too dark.
Oh.
So here is our
Paw Patrol.
Paw Patrol. Nothing there. Let's see. Wait a minute. What's this right here? Assistant, it's like a snowman. He's got like a face.
Cool.
Do you think that's the disturbance you heard?
I don't think so. It's not talking.
Oh, I love snowman.
Yeti?
It's a Yeti. Wait.
What are you doing, Yeti?
I love snowman.
It's 3 a.m. You can't be loud like that.
It's because the snowman is alive.
Yeah, people are sleeping, Yeti. You gotta be quiet.
Wait a minute. So, assistant,
Ugh, oh.
that snowman has got a face. Look at him. So,
That's
Yeti, you like it?
I love snowman.
Oh. Oh, look, the snowman's smiling. He's super happy.
Oh, cool.
So, does he come out every night, Yeti?
Oh yeah, we party.
Party?
You and the
can't
snowman?
party at 3 a.m. at night.
Yeah, it's too late. You gotta go to bed.
But the snowman's alive.
Okay, it should be sleeping.
But assistant, he does have a point. It's like Frosty. He's only out for a few months out of the year.
I guess so. But other people are trying to sleep.
Yes, right, like Waffles. Waffles, is it past your bedtime?
Yes.
It is. All right, Yeti. Will you, after Christmas, you'll stop playing with them, right?
Okay.
All right.
All right.
So since I think we figured out what the disturbance is, what do you think?
I think so too.
All right, let's go back to your playhouse.
Okay.
Come on, Waffles.
Let's go, Wops.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye, Yeti. I had to use my phone flashlight. It's so dark. Good job. All right, assistant, you have a good night. Now, if I hear any more disturbances, I'll let you know, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Wow, is that good for you too? Yeah. Good night. Okay, it's morning. Let's see if the assistant's awake. Oh, Waffles is inside. Waffles, did you have a good night? Assistant, did you sleep? Assistant, Waffles,
What?
What kind of night did you have?
Well, we have to keep waking up. We have to keep waking up.
Oh, that's right. Oh, well. Maybe we'll have to spend another night in the Christmas town, right?
Right, maybe.
All right, so what should people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right.
Thanks for watching. Bye.